We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to when you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So Bbig stock, Vinco Ventures Inc. continues to struggle to hold itself up, pulling downwards and fighting to stay above $2. Now, it was not the only stock falling. The overall market was falling, and the SPY was falling as well, right? Our SPY bot this morning since 11:40 a.m. sent us out a bear indicator, and from that moment forward, put options were up 3 to 5x within an hour, guys. This is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator and getting connected to the SPY bot. So Bbig, we're going to break down all the key levels in today's video, but before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. We're going to jump right into it here with Bbig, Vinco Ventures Inc. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the three stocks I mentioned this morning. All three of them gave 5 to 10%, 10 to 20%, but one of them gave 20% plus, and that was KSCP. And we caught this one early on in the pre-market, had low volume. We were watching it as it was consolidating. It was under a bull indicator, slightly pulled downwards after the bell, got that bear indicator, consolidated again, went into reversal with strength, got a bull indicator as an extra layer of confirmation, and went up to a highest point here of 25% plus with full strength here on Ultimate 42 Vision, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Bbig stock, and it continues to pull down lower, and it actually broke through the 52-week low briefly below 195 at 194, bounced off of it, and some can say that's a dead cat bounce or a momentum move. But when you look at it, things are shifting right back down into red, and it's struggling to stay above $2. If it breaks $2, it's going to probably retest these lows, and we may hit newer lows. And we talked about it in yesterday's video. Breaking through the 52-week low would be the next point, 175, and all the way down to the 140s, 150s, based off the history of the chart. So I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicators to receive the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the markets, to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with Bbig under a bear indicator, pulling downwards for the last 2 days, hit extreme weakness, slightly bounced up, but when you really look at it, it did nearly a full transition very quickly. That was a very weak move. Like, the transitions happened so fast, it happened within about a 5 to 10% move, and the only piece missing was the bright green after the dark green and a bull indicator in the process. No bull indicator popped up, very weak, very fast, and the overall picture has been under a bear indicator that is dominating it, and no bull indicator has popped up to negate it. Now, it's not under a bear indicator only on the 30-minute. That's the main thing we've talked about here on the channel. It's under a bear indicator on the 4-hour since way up here at 333, and under a bear indicator since way up here at 428, 420s range, right? Even through all the volatility, things have continued into weakness, and I stated we needed to watch it carefully as it shifted from dark green with red borders to red if it was going to play out something like this, and how long would it take on the 1 day to pop up white with red borders, because it took some time. And we still haven't seen white with red borders as this continues to go lower and possibly hit new 52-week lows. Super important to realize this and pay close attention to this moving forward, because every little jump is becoming weaker and weaker. And I've been stating that the jumps and the squeezes, if shorts are getting trapped, have become weaker and weaker way back here within this consolidation and volatility, which I mentioned several times in the past, right? I talked about it time after time after time, and also shared with you guys how the days to cover was becoming smaller and smaller, giving that flexibility to the bears to dominate within the moves and reshort, recover, and reshort even harder to bring it down even lower. The data was showing it, the charts have been showing it, and the bigger picture has had bear indicators for some time, right? So when we come back to the volatility, within the volatility, there's been a lot of different moves, and every single time we hit white with red borders, there's a bounce of 10 to 20%, and I've always shared it with you guys here on the channel, right? You could see it right there, followed by a bull indicator, followed by a bull indicator, followed by a bull indicator, and then you also have other times here, and then right here was one of the last ones before that one, because this one did not hit white with red borders, but right here, another one followed by a bull indicator, and you come back here, followed by a bull indicator. I mean, every single point of maximization, we've talked about it time after time here on the channel. I have shared it with you guys, and I've always stated how exciting it is to see white with red borders based off 42 vision. And right now, we are under white with red borders, but there's no bull indicator, and the volatility is very big, like larger than usual. Even though it's not moving a lot, it is actually moving very fast within the transitions and very fast back down. So it needs to find a support, and sooner or later we may see a reversal within these levels. It can happen this week, it can happen weeks from now. We just need to see how the white with red borders on the 30-minute is reacting, because every single time either we touch it and we slightly go lower like it did right here, or we finally reverse, but it has a bull indicator following it. We don't see that yet here. So 195, 194 is the first support right now, below $2. We want to stay above $2, and if it goes below that, 175, and to the upside, we want to see this breakthrough 210 and get back up towards 220, and then we can start talking about other resistance levels within the charts. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.